Yeah. This is cool.
Here, I'll show you something.
All right. It's cool.
What's that?
Is it okay if you?
Yeah. In fact, I'll show them the machine real quick.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome.
Well, the machinery, like I said, you'll see it. Most of it now is put in the box.
Oh wow. It's got it still has its old bumper on it.
Well, we had to do all this in 1994. This is what the upgrade for the ADA. Now, originally when this elevator was put in, it had the old-timey levers to bring up and down. In 1955, they upgraded it.
I heard it was installed by Otis in the 50s.
Actually, the original part was installed by Otis in 1929. None of that equipment is there.
Yeah, it says Otis. Oh, so sorry. Sorry. Look at this. Sorry about that.
So you get a picture of this.
This is gonna be awesome. Wow.
So that motor is a DC generated motor. Like DC. This
is the generator.
That's correct. It takes the AC voltage
and turns it into DC.
That's correct.
And there's the relay controls, the controller there. And you can see I can see the selector over there.
Yep. So this was all put in, like I said, 1955.
Wow. Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh, no. Well, it's not often you see a elevator buff. Have you gone up to the city hall?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good.
Those things are amazing.
Yeah, we were up there and we're headed over to the Grove Arcade. And
yep. And the Flatiron building has an old one also.
It's going.
Yep.
Any other ones that you know of besides the Flatiron?
That's about it as far as the old ones. Like I said, the original shaft here was put in 1929. The building you saw on the outside was 1895. It did not have an elevator or anything else when it was built.
Yeah, you can see the relays and hear them clicking.
Yep.
Huh.
Well, those are the ones that give the Otis guys the most pain.
The relays?
Well, because anything mechanical, they wear out. Anything that moves, it's not a matter of, it's a matter of when.
Yeah. That's why I like having my stick shift with the crank window.
There you go.
Because it seems like...
This is cool. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You know, I have to tell you, one of the things I really we've run across is so much being modernized, redone.
Well, when we did the historical renovation in 1994, 96, no, we're going to walk down.
Oh, we're going to walk down?
Yeah, let's walk down. That, a lot of things that disassembled and reincorporated into the news or the design of the renovation. Because this still is on the National Historic Registry.
Okay.
In this stairwell, this is one thing that Cody built in 1929.
Wow.
This is one of the things that they put in. Not only the elevator shaft, but the stairwell.
Now the S&W building, down a couple doors.
On the elevators right here.
Yeah, that's a new elevator. It never did.
Can I just take it down one floor?
Yeah. What was that building?
This used to be an Otis black button.
It was built as S&W cafeteria. It was a cafeteria. I mean, but back in those days, cafeterias, you had gourmet cooks or chefs that actually prepared the meal.
Because we were looking in the windows and there's one section where you can see the chandeliers and you can still see all
Otis
the woodwork and everything.
Well, a lot of that stuff.
It's got an old bumper on it.
But the rest looks totally modernized.
Yeah,
and
It says 1956 on it.
well, it was actually put in 55.
Okay.
but the certificate was issued.
Yeah. But like I said, this is all new stuff, you know. We
Yeah, it's definitely, you can tell it's on its original controller. But thank you so much. That's a cool elevator.
Any other buildings you know of for architecture?
There it goes.
Flatiron and the arcade?
Arcade, Flatiron,
That's it.
SW built, or